Morning students of plus 2 class. I am here again with the topic the focal length of equivalent lens. Equivalent lens means when the two lenses are kept in contact with each other. So both the lenses combined will work like a single lens. So let us suppose we are here taking the two lenses, both are convex lenses, lens L1 and L2, and this is one is length L1 and lens L2. Lens L1 has focal length f1 and L2 has focal length f2, and this O is object. So what is the mechanism behind it, students? This O is object. So first of all, this lens L1 will make the image of this object O at the position I1 as if L2 lens is not present there. Let us suppose ये present ही नहीं है, तो O object की image L1 lens ने I1 point पर बनाई है at the distance V1, and this is the distance U, distance of object from the lens L1. So for the first lens L1, I1 is image and O is object. So what is lens formula? 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. What is V? V is V1 and U object distance, this is U, and focal length for that lens is F1. And now this I1, which is the image made by first lens, will work like the object, virtual object for the lens L2. Suppose L2 के लिए ये object है और L2 is forming the image at I. Actually I is the final image made by this combination, but in between I1 is the image formed by lens L1, and I1 will work like the object for L2. So for L2, what is the object distance? This is V1. Object distance V1 or image distance, this is V. And for L2 lens, I1 is the object and I is the image. And 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. This is the lens formula. And I1 image है, object है, और I is the image. तो we will put here 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. U की जगह क्या रखेंगे हम? V1. This is the distance of object for the lens L2, and this is the focal length of L2 lens. This equation is 2 and this equation is 1. Now we will add both the equations 1 and 2 and we get this type of formation, 1 upon V1 minus 1 upon U, and this is from the first equation and this is from the second equation. So these both will cancel with each other. So 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon F2. Now students, V and U, what are these? V is the distance of final image from the combination and U is the distance of object. So natural है, if the both the lenses combined make a lens is having focal length capital F, then F is the focal length of the combination. So we can write 1 upon V minus 1 upon U equal to 1 upon F. तो ये आपका combination के लिए पूरा फॉर्मूला है. तो 1 upon V minus 1 upon U की जगह हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 1 upon F. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon F2. This is the formula for the focal length of the combined lens. Now if in the combination, if the lens, one lens is convex and other lens is concave, so then for the convex lens F1 is positive and concave lens F2 is negative. So we will put the sign 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon negative of F2. So it will become 1 upon F1 minus 1 upon F2. Now answer may be positive or negative. So if F comes out to be positive, तो कॉम्बिनेशन जो है, कॉम्बिनेशन विल वर्क लाइक convex lens, and if f becomes negative the combination will work like concave lens. Now in this there are three cases. If f1 equal to f2, both the lenses which are, one is convex and one is concave but of the equal focal length. So if we find out the combination focal length of the combination, so f will become infinitive. Infinitive means combined both the lenses will work like plain glass plate. And if f1 is positive, and f1 is greater than f2 and f1 is convex lens focal length, तो f1 is greater, suppose convex lens की focal length 30 है और concave lens की 20 है, तो f will become negative. Negative means the whole combination will work like concave lens. And if f1 is lesser than f2 means concave lens is having greater focal length than convex lens. तो combined lens will have positive and focal length. It means combined lens will work like convex lens. Means जो लेंस कम फोकल लेंथ का होगा तो कॉम्बिनेशन जो का जो लेंस होगा वो उस लेंस की तरह बिहेव करेगा. अगर कन्वेक्स लेंस कम फोकल लेंथ का है तो कंबाइंड लेंस कन्वेक्स लेंस की तरह वर्क करेगा. अगर कनकेव लेंस कम फोकल लेंथ का है तो कंबाइंड लेंस कनकेव की तरह वर्क करेगा. Now there is another topic, power of lens. Power क्या है? It is ability of the lens to bend the rays. Means जितनी focal length कम होगी it means उतना ज़्यादा bend करेगा. तो it means power of the lens is the reciprocal of the focal length. But f should be in meter. If f is in meter तो we can simply write p is equal to 1 upon f. But if f is in centimeter तो we have to convert it in meter and that's why we can write 100 upon f. And SI unit of power is diopter. And in the combination 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2, तो combination की जो power होगी P is equal to P1 plus P2. We can simply add algebraically. If 1 is the concave lens तो power will be negative. तो अगर convex lens है तो power is positive. तो next let's take the example. If the two lenses of the focal length 20 centimeter and 30 centimeter, 20 centimeter वाला convex lens है and 30 centimeter वाला concave lens है, and we have to find the focal length of the combination if both are placed in contact with each other. Now focal length of the combination, let us suppose f. So 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2, and this is the concave lens, that's why we will put negative sign, and after calculating f comes out to be 60 centimeter which is positive, and that's why combination will work like the convex lens of focal length कितनी, focal length कितनी 60 centimeter. The whole combination will work like convex lens. Now students, I am giving you just 3 or 4 sums for the practice and you do it and take your problems. Thank you.